Starting a business can be an exciting and challenging process, but it can also be intimidating, especially if you are not familiar with the legal requirements and procedures. In Wisconsin, starting a limited liability company, LLC, is a popular option for entrepreneurs who want to protect their personal assets and simplify their taxes. In this video, we will guide you through the steps of starting an LLC in Wisconsin and highlight some of the benefits of doing business in the state. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. The first step in starting an LLC in Wisconsin is to choose a name for your company. Your name must be unique and not already registered with the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions. You can check the availability of your chosen name using the department's online search tool. If your name is available, you can reserve it for up to 120 days by filing an application for reservation of name and paying a $15 fee. Your LLC name must also comply with certain rules, such as including the words Limited Liability Company or the abbreviation LLC. It must not be misleading or suggest that your company is engaged in illegal or unethical activities. Step 2. File Articles of Organization. Once you have chosen your LLC name, you need to file Articles of Organization with the Wisconsin Department of Financial Institutions. This document establishes your LLC as a legal entity and includes information such as your company's name, address, registered agent, and the names and addresses of the LLC's members or managers. You can file your Articles of Organization online or by mail. The filing fee is $130, and it can take up to 10 business days to process your application. If you need expedited processing, you can pay an additional fee of $25 for same-day processing or $100 for 24-hour processing. Step 3. Create an operating agreement. While not required by law, it is recommended that you create an operating agreement for your LLC. An operating agreement is a legal document that outlines how your company will be run, including the rights and responsibilities of each member, the process for admitting new members or transferring ownership, and the procedures for making decisions and distributing profits. An operating agreement can help avoid misunderstandings and disputes among members and provide a clear framework for running your business. You can create your operating agreement yourself or hire an attorney to draft it for you. Step 4. Obtain any necessary licenses and permits. Depending on your industry and location, you may need to obtain certain licenses and permits to operate your LLC in Wisconsin. For example, if you are starting a restaurant, you will need to obtain a food service license from the Wisconsin Department of Agriculture, Trade, and Consumer Protection. If you are starting a construction company, you may need to obtain a contractor's license from the Department of Safety and Professional Services. You can check the Wisconsin Department of Agriculture, Trade, and Consumer Protection's online tool to see if your business requires any licenses or permits. You may also need to obtain a local business license or zoning permit from your city or county. Step 5. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN. If your LLC has more than one member or if you plan to hire employees, you will need to obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. An EIN is a unique 9-digit number that identifies your business for tax purposes. You can apply for an EIN online or by mail, and there is no fee for this service. There are many benefits of starting a business in Wisconsin. Now that we have gone through the steps of starting an LLC in Wisconsin, let's take a look at some of the benefits of doing business in the state. Wisconsin has a relatively low cost of living compared to other states, making it an attractive option for entrepreneurs who want to start a business without breaking the bank. Lower costs for housing, transportation, and other essentials mean that entrepreneurs can stretch their budgets further and invest more in their businesses. Wisconsin is home to a highly educated and skilled workforce, thanks to the state's strong education system and its proximity to major cities like Chicago and Minneapolis. The state is also home to several prestigious universities, including the University of Wisconsin-Madison and Marquette University, which provide a steady stream of talent to the workforce. Wisconsin is known for having a business-friendly environment, with low taxes, a streamlined regulatory process, and incentives for new businesses. For example, the state offers tax credits and grants for businesses that invest in research and development, create jobs, or locate in economically distressed areas. Wisconsin has a strong infrastructure that includes a network of highways, airports, and ports, making it easy to transport goods and reach customers across the country and around the world. The state is also investing heavily in broadband infrastructure, ensuring that businesses have access to high-speed internet no matter where they are located. Finally, Wisconsin offers a high quality of life that is hard to beat. The state is home to numerous natural wonders, including the Great Lakes, national forests, and state parks. It also has a vibrant cultural scene, with world-class museums, theaters, and festivals throughout the year. Starting an LLC in Wisconsin is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. By choosing a unique name, filing articles of organization, creating an operating agreement, obtaining any necessary licenses and permits, and obtaining an EIN, entrepreneurs can establish a legal entity that is protected under Wisconsin law. In addition to the ease of starting a business, Wisconsin offers numerous benefits for entrepreneurs, including a low cost of living, access to talent, business-friendly policies, strong infrastructure, and a high quality of life. Whether you are starting a small business or a large corporation, Wisconsin is a great place to call home. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.